Up next at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2003 Road King Classic in color Tangerine Blood Orange. A really pretty paint job. Previous owner installed custom turn signals, highway pegs, floorboards, shifter, mirrors, levers, grips, and some really tall ape hangers. And there's more than that. With 42,349 miles as of right now. This bike is laced with custom accessories, and it's in near perfect condition. Fresh out of service and fresh out of detail. This bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.